Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to save your favorite TikTok video on your phone by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just go open the TikTok application. If you already installed it but you cannot find any applications on your home screen, slide into the left side of your screen, and after that go into the app library and type TikTok. And after you find it, you just need to click to open it. And now here's the look. Whenever you whenever you are open the TikTok application, you will be in a home section which containing a lot of TikTok video from several TikTok creators. You just need to scrolling down and find out which video that you want
I
to
always
save.
have
For example, this.
a brown glossy lip.
That's about a tutorial how to use a makeup. If you find out this video is really interesting you and really good to save, you just need to go click this button. Just need to click it, and after that you just need to go click save video. And now you just need to make sure that you click or confirm to download. Now you just need to wait until the download process is 100%. And now the video is already saved. You can check it on your phone. When you check it, go open into your photos. And here it is. You already have your favorite TikTok video on your phone. So that's the way how to save a TikTok video on your phone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.